Hi everyone and welcome back. Recently I took my young grandsons fishing and we had a wonderful day and it was great fun and we caught some fish, which was the most important thing. But during the course of the day we had a few moments where there was a bit of tension and struggle because the line became entangled. And it took me back so many years to the time my father would take me fishing. And very often, when you're young, you're not very careful. My line, there would be a knot in the line and I would ignore it and I'd carry on reeling, and very soon the knot would become a bigger knot and it become entangled and became like a bird's nest. And it really blessed my father. And life is like that. If we don't deal with the small issues, they become big. And sometimes in our pride, we don't look for help. And we find ourselves in difficult situations simply because we're not willing to resolve the problem or to look for help and wisdom, somebody else to give us the right direction. We need to be careful. Proverbs 3 verse 6 says, "In all your ways, acknowledge him and he will make straight your paths." In other words, if I'm opening the door to God in every situation, the line is not going to be entangled. The line will keep running straight and free. That's my attitude. I don't want to wait until there's a bird's nest. I want to make sure that I am acknowledging him in every direction and every step that I take. Proverbs 4:26, he says, "Watch the path of your feet, and all your ways will be established. Do not turn to the right or to the left. Turn your foot from evil." So I need to be methodical. I need to be meticulous. I need to be careful. I'm living a life, you're living a life. We're surrounded in society by the world, by business, by family, by things in the church, situations. We need to be careful and to make sure that our line is clean and running free, that our line is running straight, that we're taking care to put our feet in the right place to make the right decisions about different situations. Sometimes we don't know what to do, but we have people around us. As a young boy, I had my father. It's much easier to deal with a small knot than to deal with this bird's nest. It's much easier to turn to somebody when there's a situation that needs help and say, "Brother, can you help me? Can you just give me some direction? What do I do? What do I say? Where do I go?" Before it becomes a bird's nest that entangles you and ensnares you in life and robs you of what God has for you. We need to watch for ourselves and we need to learn to watch out for others, not only to be helped, but to be a help and a blessing. May the Lord help us.